Hey everybody, thanks for coming by the channel today. If you're new, we'd love to have you subscribe. Today we're going to unbox the Fall Welcome Causebox. I have been waiting so long for this. Causebox is a quarterly subscription that is $50. There are periodically coupons floating around on the internet for $10 off. This was after the fall box sold out, they came out with the fall welcome box. And after the fall box sold out is, of course, when I decided I had to have it. So this is the fall welcome box. So I am now subscribed. Yay, it's so exciting. I signed up on September 23rd and I got this yesterday. So it took almost 2 full months to get it because they had issues with the fall box, and until they got the fall box out, they didn't want to send the fall welcome box. But I'm sure it was worth the wait. Yay! This is what it looks like on the inside. You get your nice little books, and it's wrapped and pretty and sealed and all kinds of goodies in here. Can't wait to see what they are. All right, so we'll just rip into it. So if you subscribe for a year, you got to pick some of your colors. I didn't do that because this was my first box, and so I thought I would just play it and see how it goes. So we'll see what I got. There's this nice book that's the good news. I don't know anything about it. These are the purses. There's one in there. I can't wait. Nice little clutch purse. And it's all about the artisans. The whole point of Causebox. Let's see if I can find something clever that tells you the point. Glasses time. Welcome to Causebox. This will answer the questions for us. We search all over the world for the best socially conscious products, and we deliver them to you each season in a beautifully designed box. Each Causebox highlights companies and products that are putting people before profit and making the world a better place. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We are grateful. We are so grateful to welcome you to this community. All right, very cool. And it tells us what's inside with little pictures. So I'll keep this here and then we'll know as we go. Yay! So on the very top, I have the clutch. This came in, let's see if it talks about it on here. Yeah, this came in black or beige. I, of course, would have chosen black, but beige is nice. I love it when things push me outside my comfort zone. It's very pretty. It's vegan leather. It has a vegan leathery smell to it. They all tend to. This is October by Jaipur, and it's an envelope clutch. Inspired by culture, crafted by artisans. It was handcrafted in Jaipur, India. And it says it's magnetically fastened and full of thoughtfully designed features like roomy open pockets, zippered storage, and a card sleeve. So it is a cute little bag. Sometimes I carry totes. This will be perfect for inside a tote or, you know, a little evening thing, but I don't often wear beiges. But, oh, you know what? It is UGG season, so the beige will be better for me. All right, moving on. They send you a piece of artwork that can double as a postcard in each box, and that's this month's picture. Very pretty. And to go with my beige purse, I got the beige scarf. Very pretty. Let's see what we have in here. This says it's Bloom and Give Malabar Scarf. Let's see. It's very pretty. Feels like, I don't know what it is. Feels like cotton to me. Are you losing me in it? It's huge. It's striped and then kind of color blocked. Very pretty. This says it's from Bloom and Give. It's a Malabar scarf. It is cotton. It was loomed by artisans in India. Very pretty. Be perfect for fall. Now that I've done that. Oh, see, easy peasy. It has the nice little rough edge. Soft, very soft. Yay, who doesn't love a new fall scarf? I do. All right, moving on. We have Zoya. Oh, great. I'm going to have one of those light days. And in the Zoya box, we have pretty fingernail polishes. Oh, you know what? I should go back and tell you that the purse, they say, is a $54 value, and this scarf is a $60 value. The Zoya nail polish is a $20 value, and it is in two pretty colors. Jack, which is a pretty neutral, that's very pretty, and Ruthie. And that is also a very pretty pink. It's showing up darker on this. In real life, it's not quite that dark. It's kind of a deep mauve. It's very pretty though. Yay! Love Zoya. This says that the Zoya is versatile autumnal hues, from one of the first companies to formulate clean, long-lasting nail polishes that are made in the USA and are free from formaldehyde, toluene, and lots of other words that I can't say that you should not be putting on your body. Yeah, excellent. Good job. Did I say $20 value? $20 value. All right, next I have Grapefruit Turmeric Hand Repair Cream. I'm gonna have to do something about that lighting. It is 100 ml. It's by Scentuals. Yeah. And it is handcrafted to repair and restore with 100% natural organic ingredients. Excellent. It says it's a $7.89 value. That's a very good value. This rich and fast absorbing hand cream deeply restores skin with shea butter and cocoa butter, and is enriched with organic argan, sweet almond oil, and aloe. Very cool. Let's see what it smells like. I'm doing the top assuming it has a safety seal, and it does. But it came off easy peasy. Let's put a little bit on her hand. Oh, Mommy always said, whistling women and crowing hens always come to no good ends. Welcome to my childhood. Oh, it smells very nice. Very, I'm going to say grapefruity. Grapefruity turmeric. I don't spell the turmeric. It smells nice though. I'm showing you my hand like, oh, look. I swatched lotion for you. You're welcome. Okay, moving on. Pretty SoCo earrings. They're just little, uh-oh, I'm all greasy from the lotion. We're in trouble, people. Okay. Got them, no problem. I have bow earrings. Says, the company, SoCo, is completely changing the artisan impact model and designing some of the most fashion-forward jewelry pieces around. Very pretty. Say $42 value. 100% good, 100% beautiful. Handmade in Kenya. Very nice. They're very pretty. I like them very much. Okay. I have makeup. Not that I'm playing favorites. Not playing favorites. Uh-oh. This is going to be... Whew, it's going to be a hard one to get into. Okay. I've unpacked it. RealHer. RealHer Playbook. Let's see what this says. It says that it is a 9-shadow eye palette and a brush. And it is cruelty-free, and RealHer donates a portion of proceeds to charities that promote inclusivity. It's a $38 value for the brush and the shadow. There's the brush. It's just a good packer brush. And now let's get into this shadow and see what we've got. This is another one of those things where I really tend toward cool colors. So I find that most things are warm. Oh, it's very pretty though. And nope, pretty cool. Very nice. Those are really pretty colors. They range from all white getting darker down to black. Let's see. Shall we see how they swatch? I think we shall. So let's just, I'm going to swatch them with a brush because, you know, I have it right here, so why not? Feels creamy. This is the whitest color, which I am surprised on my super white skin. You can actually sort of see. Oh yeah, there it is. See the brightness of it? Yeah. And then there's one called Creative. This is a truer swatch, I suspect, than with my finger. See the pop in that? Not to worry. See the pop in it? So pretty. This is a really pretty palette. This Causebox did sell out. All of the Causeboxes, I think, for the last quite some time have sold out. And they are now selling the winter box. The ones, we did get a spoiler. Oh, there's going to be, it's a kind of a flannel-y looking poncho-y jacket that comes in 3 or 4 colors. And if you sign up and you pay for a year in advance, you can actually pick the color you're going to get. I love it all. All right. 2 more things. See? $50. All right. Now, let's see what we have. We have a Sandalwood Rose Soy Candle, handmade in California with 100% soy wax. That's very pretty. Jar candle. This has a lot of words on the bottom. Very small. Very small. Let's see what, oh, by the way, oh no, I told you. Okay. This says that this is an $18 value. It's from PF Candle Company, and it's a hand-poured soy wax candle. It started in a garage and has grown to become the go-to choice for many of the trendiest boutiques across America. I'm trendy now, people. That is beautiful. You can definitely smell the sandalwood. Sandalwood rose. I'm not really getting rose. There is just the back hint of something floral, but it's lovely. This is a beautiful scent. That's a pretty scent. And I don't love candle scents as a rule. Okay, last but not least, if you signed up this month and used the code SWELL, you also got a Swell Bottle. That's very exciting. Let's see what color I got. Ooh, pretty. I've seen a million colors, basic burgundies, and just lots of pretty colors, but I got a marbly looking one. So cool. Actually, I don't know if it's supposed to look like marble or birch. It kind of looks like a birch tree. I'm going to call it birch because it's fall and, you know, trees. And how exciting. Very cool. My Swell story in there. I like that the outside is kind of matte, so it's not, you know, whoop, slick. Very cool. Let's see what the Swell story is. Okay. The reason Swell Bottle made it into the Causebox is they are proud to support charity partners that protect our environment, bring clean water to the world's poorest communities, and fund research to live longer, healthier lives. So, yay. All right. That is my box. Very awesome. In review, Swell Bottle. Nothing in here says how much the Swell Bottle is worth, but I think they're like 25, 30 bucks. I also have the eyeshadow and brush, the lovely smelling Sandalwood Rose Candle, very pretty, the Grapefruit Turmeric, what do you say? Hand cream, very nice, the very pretty sterling earrings, the Zoya fingernail polishes, and the leather, I don't think we call it that anymore, the vegan leather clutch. So, very happy with all of these things. This is my first Causebox. I think it's a wonderful experience. There was a slight delay. It called for patience, but it was so worth it. And I love that these are all companies that do good. So I say go out there and subscribe to a box that does good. Please like and subscribe down below. I'm going to have more unboxings, and I hope to see you back. Bye, guys.